Sanji is one of the main characters of the popular manga and anime series One Piece, created by Eiichiro Oda. Their story is an integral part of the rich and diverse world of the series. Sanji, whose full name is Vinsmoke Sanji, was born in the North Blue and is the third son of the powerful Vinsmoke family, known for its influence in the underworld and its scientific and technological advances. However, Sanji never identified with his family's ideals. From a young age, he showed a great interest in cooking and dreamed of becoming a great chef. At a young age, Sanji was sent to work on a pirate ship called the Barity, where he honed his culinary skills under the tutelage of Zeph, a legendary pirate known as the Red Cook. During his time on the Barity, Sanji developed a strong sense of honor and respect for Zeph, who taught him not only how to cook, but also valuable lessons about life and the value of survival. Sanji's story in One Piece primarily takes place during the East Blue Saga and beyond. On his journey with the Straw Hat, Sanji proves to be an invaluable member of the team, both for his cooking skills and his combat skills. Sanji is a master of the black leg style, a fighting style that primarily uses his legs as weapons, giving him extraordinary speed and agility in battle. As the series progresses, more about Sanji's past is revealed, including his relationship with his family and his connection to the infamous pirate Blackbeard. Additionally, Sanji faces numerous challenges and powerful enemies, but always demonstrates unwavering willpower and a deep sense of loyalty to his friends. One of the highlights of Sanji's story is his search for All Blue, a legendary sea where all the species of fish in the world's seas are said to converge. This dream reflects your passion for cooking and your desire to explore and discover new flavors and culinary experiences. In short, Sanji's story in One Piece is that of a young man who defies the expectations imposed by his family to follow his own path and pursue his passion for cooking and adventure. His bravery, culinary skills, and strong sense of camaraderie make him a beloved and respected character in the One Piece universe.